Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now the people are saying this was the year that showed that the Prime Minister and his administration cannot lead the country forward. Now if you agree, type new government. Now the people are also saying with the Prime Minister's accounts being looked into, his wife's accounts are also being looked into. May I couldn't hear what I want to continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
Juliet Holness, Andrew Wheatley, Everall Warmington, Bobby Montague, and Fly Green.
Now it seemed like multiple members of the government and of the ruling party are being looked at. It seemed like a whole heap of them get rich out of nowhere. And while some people have different theories, because you know the $3 trillion talk, some people are say at the money wrap up, some people are say this and that. Some people are say, and I say them take money directly from the state. Some people are say what them use is the fact say they are the government to push certain business plans along and do as they will. And with the recent situation exposed by or uncovered, revealed by the Kingston mayor, the new Kingston mayor. Remember, there was a mayor before this mayor. I will never hear nothing. But concerns were brought to their attention by the Integrity Commission. And him say, I go look into it. And him look into it and find, say, well, just as them did I say, something goes so. So the people are saying because them are the government, why they were able to get as wealthy as they are now said to be. While the average Jamaican, who them say them love, who them say them have the best interest for in mind, can't get these opportunities or those opportunities to better their lives and the lives of them family and them friend them. While clearly, when you have certain links, because when the commission talk about estate bridge, clearly, from what the government has said, the Prime Minister has said, and now some other people have said, estate bridge is not a company owned by the Prime Minister. Does he have links to it? Did he have links to it? That is still up for question. But them same son and him friend own the company there. So they must have them kind of links there. And a years now, we've been a year about, you know, having the right links. It's not about what you do, it's who you know. And now some people also say, even though we're about to a whole heap of different scandal, I know that some people have said clear to them, say the opposition are going to win. Yes, some people already have said, some people have said they don't need nobody to tell them. Them can already clearly say the opposition will win the next general election. Tell me if you agree with that. Tell me if you believe, say, the opposition will be winning the next general election. Just comment agree. You know, long explanation. Just comment agree if you agree to the opposition. Based on what you see so far, will be winning the next general election. But with that being said, the people are saying, certain people now have to think about the state, then going after them after they are no longer the government, because they are saying that one of the reasons why the DPP has returned. Now this is all speculation. Those people are, you know, think what they might think and surmise what they must surmise. But people are saying she has returned, and then believe say no. For anybody where they believe say boy them situation before the judicial system means that this a got and that a got. Some people are saying no. Some people are saying no. Tell me what you think about that. Some people also say the plan of the government to wait as long as they could to call a general election, only make people know more skeptical of the administration and more of the belief that the opposition is now the stronger party. Is now the party where the people them want. And keep in mind, when the government did win the general election, at that time, they were the party that the people did want in power. And when the people them want in power, as we saw going, the party was elected. And they call it a landslide victory, saying that certain parishes and districts and places that have never been considered places where vote for the Labour Party voted for the Labour Party, pointing out that this victory of those people voted for the party at that time, they never come out of nowhere. It was the very same people them who used to vote for a different party, but at that time they believe say, all right, the Prime Minister was a better leader. When they look on the Prime Minister as opposed to who was leading the opposition, the no opposition at that time. But now they must say, if they might compare him to Mr. Golding, I guess no. The people are saying Mr. Golding is the better option for the people. And it might be the very truth. Now the people must say, the Prime Minister's wife has also amassed a whole heap of millions. We don't know. The Integrity Commission never directly mentioned her yet. So I guess she has declared her assets. And them clear for her name. But people still speculate. Because people are say, then them whole heap of money where they talk about to the Prime Minister. Was that money where his wife didn't know about? People I wonder. I wonder if I did the Prime Minister's private stash. The Integrity Commission started about money when people they even film people never aware of. We don't know. Because we think if the Prime Minister's wife being a parliamentarian herself, if she'd have filed and do it for her thing, them, you'd have think the two of them would have deal with it at the same time. They're, husband and wife in the same profession, subject to the same rules. So why everything good with one of them but everything not good with the other one? You still don't really understand. I guess you should tell him, say, yo, this is all the process, because I guess you're never fully aware of the process. And then with them whole heap of situation where the Integrity Commissioner talk about with construction and them thing there. She being also somebody where own a construction company too. I guess some people say she should have show him. Say, no, this is not how you go about it. Who knows? Talk to me in the comment section, tell me what you think. Of course, if you're new to the channel, just a pass through. Well, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love and prosper. And for to stay tuned.